One of the largest concerns people have when first faced with the reality of divorce is how much it will cost. Fears may run rampant at this stressful time. Will I lose everything I work for? Can't we save money by avoiding lawyers and just working it out ourselves? Believe me, I understand. Money is a very important factor in divorces, and being in the dark about what the actual costs of divorces are will only make your stressful situation even worse. So let's talk about it. I won't sugarcoat it for you. It's never easy to split a house into two. Couples divide their assets, and that obviously means that they'll have less than when they were together. It's simple math. But I'm amazed at how little my clients have considered it, usually prior to coming to my office. You can be sure that they're a lot wiser after they've left, however, because I want my clients to have all the facts so they can make informed decisions for themselves. Obviously, every household income is different, so we can only talk about categories of costs in this video. We've already mentioned the loss of income from the other spouse. In addition to that, there are also new expenses that have to be paid that didn't exist before, as each spouse must set up a new household to begin their independent lives. This includes rental deposits, storage, and other necessities. There will also be mandatory court fees for your case, which include the original filing fees and other service fees. Also, there may be professional service fees such as mediator fees or home appraisers. If you have children, you'll be required to take a mandatory parenting class. If custody is disputed, there may be many more expenses. The court may appoint a custody evaluator to help you resolve custody and visitation issues. In high conflict cases, a social study or psychological evaluation may be called for, and the court may even appoint a representative for your children's interest. These professional expenses must be charged to one or both of the parties in the divorce. A key factor is how much conflict exists between the parties. If there is high conflict, then the case will drag on as the court becomes more involved in settling the issues that arise. Most attorneys charge on an hourly basis, and the more conflict there is during the divorce, the more work they have to do, and this drives up costs. As you can see, the costs of your divorce depends on your specific situation. In the face of these costs, it may be tempting to try to do the many do-it-yourself options out there, such as fill-in-the-blank forms. I honestly can't recommend these. Think about the fact that the outcome of this divorce is going to affect the rest of your life. The advice and counsel of an experienced family law attorney is the only real way to ensure that you get the best possible outcome for your case and that you'll be spending your money wisely. In an upcoming video, we'll discuss creative ways for you to be able to hire an attorney even if you have very little money on hand. Thanks for tuning in. If we can be of help to you, please look us up at mydivorcefirm.com. I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.